Let's taste it. This is a feel-good spaghetti. The avocado is really standing out. It really tastes good. And the spinach makes me healthy already. Let me show you how I make it. Here are the ingredients for today's recipe. I know it doesn't have much there, but I can start with avocado, spinach for my muscles. Wish me luck! I'm so excited opening this avocado because it's very rare for me to find avocado at the market where it's actually ready to eat. It's pretty good, eh? I have another camera here for you so that we can see it other closer. Here it is. Look at the avocado. It's gorgeous, so beautiful, and looks so delicious. So here's what we're doing here. Putting the avocado into food processor. And actually avocado is still a little bit hard, but the machine will take care of it. That's the avocado into the machine already. Now I'm adding garlic, raw garlic. 2 small cloves of garlic, spinach, walnuts, olive oil. This is like making pesto, and lemon juice. I'm back here with a noisy machine, food processor. Let's see what's underneath the machine. The taste will reveal. Delicious. Thumbs up. Water is boiling and it's ready for spaghetti. Now I'm using lentil spaghetti. I know you've seen it before. If you're my regular subscriber or follower, you've seen it. So, but anyway, I'm using lentil pasta because it's lighter and it's actually more flavor and it's good for you. The avocado paste actually is a little bit thicker, but we can dilute it with the pasta water. This is the spaghetti. The sauce actually is a little bit thick, so I'm adding a little bit of water here. And then you can also add seasoning, salt and pepper. And I think I actually want to add a little bit of chili flakes for heat and spicy.